Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change username on Instagram. So let's just begin. Alright, so as you can see here that we are inside our Instagram profile. So to change the username, you can see that we have these three lines at the top right side as an icon. So we have to tap on that. And here you can see the option of account center. So we have to tap on that. And here we have to click on profiles. And now we have to tap on our profile here. And here you can see the option of name, username, profile picture, and avatar. So we have to tap on username from here since we want to change the username. So from here, I can simply change or update the username here. Okay, so let's say that I would change the number here from 7 to 8 and it would check whether the username is available or not. So if I just remove these numbers from here, this username is not available, so I'm gonna change it. Maybe I'm gonna add some numbers to it and add 7 or 8 to it. So this is how I can actually edit my username. I'm gonna simply click on done now. And now when I go back to my profile, I have updated my username here. So I'm gonna jump into my profile. If I refresh this, now you'll be able to see we have updated our Instagram username. So this is how we can change username on Instagram. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.